Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. In one of my classes this morning, a student of mine said that her best friend had recently got into making kombucha. For those of you who don't know what kombucha is, it's a fermented Korean drink. It's slightly fizzy, slightly carbonated, and I think it's rooted in black tea of some kind. Supposedly, it has real health benefits. It's supposed to be very good for you. And when my student mentioned this, I replied by saying I have a good friend called Paul who's been making his own kombucha for the last couple of years. I've tried it myself and I have to say I'm not a big fan. It's not really for me, but he swears by it. If you say that someone swears by something, you mean that they strongly believe this thing is very effective, or very useful, or very good for you. And we often use it when talking about cures or medicine. So you might say, oh, my mum started taking these multivitamin tablets a year ago, and now she absolutely swears by them. Or maybe, yeah, I've got this weird friend of mine who eats raw garlic for breakfast and dinner every day. I've no idea if it's really good for you, but he swears by it. Another example connected to health. I'm not sure if there's any actual research to prove its efficacy, but my sister swears by meditation as a way of relaxing. You might also use it when talking about certain forms of technology. So, maybe you have students who swear by Grammarly, for example, even if you don't personally see the appeal. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of things you or people you know swear by.